Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create GoHighLevel contacts from ActiveCampaign. I want that whenever a new contact is added in ActiveCampaign, automatically by using the details of the same contact, I also want to create a new contact in my GoHighLevel account. So how we are going to do this process effortlessly? For that, we will have to integrate ActiveCampaign with GoHighLevel. And in order to do that, we are going to use an integration software Pabbly Connect here. So what we are going to do, we have ActiveCampaign in our trigger and we have GoHighLevel in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new contact will be added in ActiveCampaign, automatically by using the details of the same contact, a new contact will also be created and added in my GoHighLevel account. And in order to learn the entire process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how can we automatically create a contact in our GoHighLevel account by using the details of a contact created in ActiveCampaign. So we are going to learn this step by step. So let's start the process. First of all, in our browser, we have to search in the address bar for pabbly.com/connect. And as we do that, it will take us towards the landing page of this software. Here we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you're a new user, you have to click on sign up for free to create your free new account in just 2 minutes. And also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now, because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And after coming on all apps section, we will find all the products offered by Pabbly. So in order to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And when we do that, it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So when we create workflows, we are going to find them here. And to create a new workflow, we have to click on create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it. And now a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide this workflow a suitable name. So let's give it a name as Create Contacts in GoHighLevel from ActiveCampaign Contacts. And after giving the name, let's click on Create. So as we do that, we can find two windows open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic principles on which the entire workflow of this automation runs. We can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. So let's understand trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. So here we are going to take ActiveCampaign in our trigger and GoHighLevel in our action. And we will be connecting them by using Pabbly Connect through this workflow in such a way that whenever a new contact will be created in ActiveCampaign, that is our trigger, automatically by using the details of that contact, a new contact will be added in GoHighLevel. So that will be our action. That means the action is the response towards the trigger. So let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we have to select our trigger application, which will be ActiveCampaign. Select it. And now we have to select the trigger event, which will be contact added. And let's click on connect. So because we are connecting ActiveCampaign with Pabbly Connect for the first time, so let's click on add new connection. And here we have to enter these two details, API key and URL. So from where we are going to find them, for that we have to go on our ActiveCampaign account and under settings option, we will find both the details together. So let me take you to my ActiveCampaign account. So this is the contact section of ActiveCampaign. Now from the left side, we have to go on settings and under that we have to select developer. And on developers page, we can find that our URL and API key is given over here. So let's first copy API key and we will paste it over here. And the next is the URL. So let's copy the URL also and we will paste it over here. But before clicking on save, one thing which we have to keep in mind is we have to enter the URL without HTTPS. It's mentioned over here. Okay. So now after this, we have to click on save. And we can see that the ActiveCampaign account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now let's move on to the further steps. First, we have to select the list in which we want to create a new contact. So here I have only one list which is named as master contact list. So it is already selected. You can select your own list. And the next, it is asking to provide a name to the webhook through which we have connected our ActiveCampaign account with Pabbly Connect. So let's give this webhook a random name. So I'm giving it as new contacts. And after that, simply click on save and send test request. And when we do that, it is showing waiting for responses. That means Now we have to do a test submission by creating a new contact in our ActiveCampaign account in order to capture the response of the webhook here in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back. So let's go back again towards the ActiveCampaign account, and from the left side we will go on the contact section, and here we can find all the contacts which are already existing in ActiveCampaign. To create a new contact, we have to click on add a contact option given on right corner with blue color, and now we have to fill the details of that particular contact one by one in order to add it. So I am giving dummy details in order to create a dummy contact, just to show you how the response is being captured. Now let's start with the first name. So I'm giving the first name as demo and the last name as contact, and let's enter a dummy email also, and at last the dummy phone number. Done. Now after filling the details of a contact, let's click on add, and if we want to assign a particular tag to this contact, we can do that. So let's give a tag to this contact, name as new. Okay, now let's click on apply, and we can find that a new contact is created over here. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received the response there or not. So here, yes, we can see that the response is received with the same details which we have entered in ActiveCampaign for the new contact. First name, last name, email, and the phone number. Now let's move on to a next step, which will be adding a new contact in GoHighLevel by using the details of this contact which is recently created in ActiveCampaign. So let's start with our action step. For that, first we have to select our action application, which will be GoHighLevel. So in order to connect GoHighLevel with Pabbly Connect, we have to use lead connector V2. Let's select it, and in our action event we will be selecting create contact. Click on connect, and from the given options we will click on add new connection and then connect with lead connector V2. Select the account, and as we do that, our authorization is successful and our GoHighLevel account is connected with Pabbly Connect. And it was easy to connect GoHighLevel account with Pabbly Connect here because I was already logged into my GoHighLevel account. So you also have to keep in mind always to log into your applications before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, because it makes the connection easier. Now the next step is we have to enter the details given over here one by one in order to create a new contact. So first it is asking for the first name. So we are going to insert the data by using our previous step, that is ActiveCampaign. Why we are doing this? Because we want that whenever a new contact is also created in ActiveCampaign, automatically the data of that particular contact should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and it should automatically create a new contact in GoHighLevel without any manual process. Okay, so when we map the data, the workflow will not get stuck due to dynamic details. So therefore we are mapping this data over here. Now let's select our previous step, and then we will search for our first name, that is demo, map it, and the next is last name. So let's map it in the same manner, and the last name is given over here. The next is email. So let's again map the email also, and phone number. So at last, let's also assign tags to this particular contact, because we are going to create these contacts by using ActiveCampaign data. So we have to assign the tags in the comma separated values, that is in this format. So let's assign tags in this format only. So I am giving the tag to this contact as ActiveCampaign contacts, and the next tag will be comma space new. Okay, so I want to assign these two tags to my new contacts in GoHighLevel. You can assign tags according to your preferences in the same manner by separating the values using comma. Okay, now let's click on save and send test request. So we have got the response. That means a new contact has been created in GoHighLevel. Let's go there and check whether we have received the response in GoHighLevel or not. So this is the GoHighLevel account. Here, let's first refresh the page. And here in the contact section, we can see that yes, a new contact is created over here with the same details which we have received in the response through ActiveCampaign, and along with the tags which we have assigned to this contact, ActiveCampaign and new. So that means our workflow is successful here. Now let's summarize what we have done in this workflow by coming back to Pabbly Connect. So basically we have taken two steps: trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken ActiveCampaign, and in action, we have taken lead connector V2. That means GoHighLevel. So we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new contact will be added in ActiveCampaign, automatically by using the details of that contact, a new contact will be created in GoHighLevel along with the tags. So these were the steps which we have to follow in order to integrate both these applications by using Pabbly Connect. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.